Oh, it's Nathan. Welcome back to my channel. This is Robot Masters, and today we have a pretty exciting product. This is the Dreametech H12 Pro Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. Now, I was at my local Walmart the other day. I asked their sales associates, hey, do you have any like mopping vacuum things? And they showed me carpet cleaners. No, that's not the same thing. Two models. They have the H12 and the H12 Pro. So, the 12 Pro has larger water tanks. I believe it's a little bit more powerful for about $100 more. Let's go and check out some of the features here. Wow, the box is already unboxing itself. How about I just dump it onto the floor? Would that be better? Oh, this is not going as planned. Usually it never does. Alright, there's my unboxing. Okay kids, let me tell you something. When you get older, you shrink. So yes, sadly you have to roll up your cuffs for your jeans. Or just get shorter jeans. Well, you know what, I did try. I tried my best to get all that dirt and debris away from my corners, the baseboard, but as you can see, the design of the unit just didn't allow me to kind of squeeze in that tight corners there. First impressions for me is like anything. If it looks good, if it's nice, I'll probably end up buying it because I'm attracted to shiny objects. And the H12 Pro looked pretty good in my opinion. I like the black with the silver accents here, and this thing definitely looks pretty high-end. Now, if we talk about the design, they did a pretty good job. You have your dirty water tank up front, your fresh water in the back here, and yes, you can pour some chemicals in. Kind of wish they had a self-feeding chemical system where you didn't have to do it each time you filled up the freshwater tank, but that's just a minor inconvenience. My head's in that frame. Oh well, if it's not, don't worry about it. We really don't care about my head thing. Okay, so you're supposed to put 10 milliliters of cleaning solution in this 900 milliliter water tank. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll get my super sharp dull scissors here and just stab at it. Just do this. That's all you need. And we'll put some solution in this little container, your little measuring cup. 10 milliliters. Close enough. I think it was 11.5, but don't tell anyone. Alright, and then there's like a little, I guess, area to put it in. So let's see if I can do this without spilling. Let's see. Am I doing this right? Don't spill. Oh, look at that. Wow. Just kind of shake it up. Oh wow, am I spilling again? Oh well. It'll clean up. Well, yeah, see that? Look at that. What the heck? Seriously? Now, let's talk about one feature that the H12 Pro has that no other dry, wet stick vacuums I currently tested have. That is a hot air drying feature. Yes, whenever you suck up ketchup, small children, pets, well, if you want to clean off the brush roll, this hot air drying feature works phenomenal. It's able to clean off most of the dirt and debris, and the fact that it dries it, yeah, go figure, dries the brush roll really well, so no mildew, no stinkiness. Process takes about an hour and a half, but this is probably one of the best features that the H12 Pro has. Alright, yep, let's talk about some of the downsides. Single brush roll, kind of wish I had a dual brush roll. Why not? 2 is better than 1. Hell, maybe have 3 or 4, I don't know. But I would like to have 2 brush rolls. Next, come on guys, it's what, 2023? We should at least have a full color display. Even like my refrigerator, washer dryers have full color displays. Why not add this to their stick vacuums as well? Okay, so another thing is this unit is quite loud, so don't try to run this at nighttime or you'll be waking up the neighbors or even just people around you, and they will not be happy with you. They'll make you clean some more.
Auto mode.
Okay, so battery life is on par with the competition. You get about 20 to 35 minutes depending on what mode you're in. And talking about modes, this thing has ultra mode. And one interesting thing, it takes about 30 seconds to enter ultra mode. What in the world? What is it doing for 30 seconds? Trying to figure out how to get into ultra mode? I'm not sure. But once you're in there, you're good to go. And it does a pretty good job. Now, with my testings, I felt the auto mode was the best. It was able to balance the power mode and just kind of be battery efficient. So I would stick with just auto mode. Wow, that sounds amazing. That's probably one of my favorite things to do on this channel is just take wrapping off. I know. Pretty cool.
Ultra mode. Preparing ultra mode. Please wait for suction mode. Auto mode. Powering off. Please put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
Let's go ahead and install the little plastic doodads. You can put one over here. And this is where your spare brush goes. I guess you can put another one over here. Just kind of clips in here. Actually, I think I have this the wrong way. See how easy it is? I already messed it up. That way, there we go. And then this way, okay. So cleaning brush can go here. Filter can go there. Or maybe some solution too. Alright, there. We'll put it right there. And then now the docking or the unit. Let's see.
Charging started.
Oh, okay. That was pretty easy. Only took me, what, 1.5 tries? Cool.
Preparing ultra mode. Please wait for 30 seconds. Starting self-clean. Exit self-cleaning. Charging started. Starting exit self-cleaning. Charging started.
So let's go and give you my final thoughts on the H12 Pro. Is this unit right for you? Well, if you have a lot of hardwood floors, a huge place that mainly is hardwood floors, I definitely recommend this. It's great being able to pull this thing out, be able to vacuum and mop simultaneously. But keep in mind, like any vacuum cleaner that has a dirty freshwater tank, you gotta empty out them often, and you gotta remember to fill them up. So that's just something to remember. But luckily, you don't have to clean that brush roll because the self-cleaning feature works phenomenally. Alright, so people with hardwood floors, lots of it, get the H12 Pro. But if you have carpets or you don't have a lot of hardwood floors, stick with the traditional $30 Walmart special. You'll be just happy with that. So thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next time. Stick around. I have some new products, probably some new robots. Who knows? I did some interesting products on this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there. I'm just gonna wave and hopefully sometime the camera just shuts off. Alright, see you later.